The Volkswagen T-Cross, produced from 2018 onward, features electric folding side mirrors that enhance convenience and reduce the risk of damage in tight parking spaces. These mirrors offer key benefits, including convenience through electric operation and enhanced safety by minimizing damage in tight spaces. Operation includes manual folding by pressing a button on the driver's door panel and automatic folding when locking the vehicle or starting the engine. The system uses electromechanical actuation with an electric motor connected to a worm gear system, controlled by position sensors for precise folding. Recent updates include over-the-air software enhancements for app-based remote control, and trends show increasing integration with advanced driver assistance systems for automated operation. This video will cover manual and automatic operation, how the system works, troubleshooting, and emerging trends in automotive mirror technology. To manually fold the mirrors, locate the mirror icon button on the driver's side door panel or central console. Press it once to fold the mirrors inward. Press the same button again to unfold them back to their original position. The folding process takes approximately 2 to 3 seconds. Many T-Cross models are equipped to automatically fold the mirrors when the vehicle is locked using the key fob. This helps prevent scratches and damage when parked in narrow areas. The mirrors will then automatically unfold when the engine is started or the doors are unlocked. Recent software updates allow you to control the folding mirrors remotely via the VW app, part of CarNet services. This connected mobility feature provides added security and convenience, especially useful in tight parking situations. Check your app settings to enable this function. The electric folding mirrors in the Volkswagen T-Cross use a small electric motor and worm gear system inside each mirror housing. When activated, the motor rotates, driving the worm gear to fold or unfold the mirror smoothly. The entire system is controlled by the vehicle's body control module, or BCM, which receives commands from buttons or sensors and sends signals to the motors. Safety features prevent the mirrors from folding when the vehicle is moving above 10 kilometers per hour. While generally reliable, electric folding mirrors can occasionally experience glitches, particularly in very cold weather below -10 degrees Celsius. Firmware patches often resolve these issues. Ensure regular servicing to maintain optimal performance. If problems persist, consult a VW service center. The future trend involves integrating the mirrors with advanced driver assistance systems. Expect features like automatic folding during assisted parking and integration with valet or autonomous modes to reduce blind spots for cameras. Sustainability focuses are leading to recycled materials in mirror housings. Electric folding mirrors on the VW T-Cross offer significant real-world benefits. They reduce parking scratches by automatically folding when the vehicle is locked, protecting the mirrors from damage in tight spaces. Additionally, folded mirrors improve aerodynamics, reducing drag by about 0.5% when the vehicle is in motion. Experts view electric folding mirrors as a bridge between traditional manual operation and future autonomous driving systems. Automotive engineers note how these mirrors integrate with advanced driver assistance systems, preparing vehicles for more automated features. Studies, including a 2024 J.D. Power survey, show strong preference for electric folding due to its ease of use, with 68% of SUV owners favoring this feature. The system also increases vehicle safety by minimizing mirror damage in tight urban environments, as demonstrated in real-world pilots.